Just sitting in the garage, staring at the trencher. Can't wait to dig something with it. Thought I'd do a little toolbox tour. I think that's all the rage now. So I bought this. This is the 44-inch US General from Harbor Freight. I like it. It's getting a little small though. I love this big first drawer. It rolls good. Get all my sockets in there. But I'm starting to, I feel like I'm outgrowing it a little bit, so I might go look at the 55-inch. That's the sockets, wrenches. These little wrench organizers work good. This is my first wrench I ever bought from a Snap-on guy, 14 millimeter, when I was in 8th and 9th grade. I worked at the Yamaha shop and I thought it was cool. I think I paid 20 bucks for it and had to make payments to the Snap-on guy. But then, you know, of course, got a bunch of stickers like this. Screwdrivers. These little screwdriver organizers are nice. They work good. And these WIA screwdrivers, they're cheap. They're from Germany. And I think I like them better than the Snap-on ones. They fit screws better. Plier organizer, that's money well spent if you buy one of those. These drawers, they, I think they're like $5. They're pretty good too. These little torque multipliers, I got them on Amazon, and another tool that's worth its weight in gold. Compressor stuff. Sockets or ratchets. This is my favorite 1/2-inch ratchet. It's from 1930. Allen wrenches. Just break shit, nothing cool there. Wiring junk. Oh, here's another tool. This is the twin cam chain tensioners compression tool. And you can't find these anywhere. I don't even know how I got lucky enough to find this one. But they are worth their weight in gold. If you find one, buy it. Even if you don't have a twin cam now. This is like a worn out tensioner. So, and then all my overflow tools go into this toolbox I had since I've been like 17. Old Craftsman. Oh, here's something. The Pocket Constitution. You hear all these libs talking about protecting democracy. And then you read this. It's a quick read. It's just the Constitution and the amendments. And they don't follow any of it. That's why we need this guy. More wrenches from when I was a kid. These old Craftsmans, I like them. They seem different than the new ones. More sockets. I don't know how I got all these wrenches. The lug nut for boat propellers from Piranha Propeller. Awesome propellers if you have a boat. So that's a little toolbox tour. All right, go out and vote.